So with oil prices up, inflation fears back on the table, and volatility creeping in, should you change your portfolio? The answer is maybe, but not out of panic. Let's walk through how to make this decision strategically, not emotionally. First, check your current allocation. Are you overweight in growth stocks that depend on cheap oil and low interest rates? Underweight in energy, commodities, or inflation hedges? Sitting in a very conservative portfolio that's not keeping up with inflation? If so, this may be a good time to rebalance, not because you're chasing performance, but because the market conditions are shifting. You don't need to blow up your strategy. Small adjustments can go a long way. For example, rebalancing 5 to 10% into an energy ETF, moving a portion of your bond allocation into tips or shorter duration funds, increasing your cash position temporarily if you're nearing retirement. Also consider your time horizon. If you're retiring in the next 5 years, you might want to reduce volatility and focus on income and preservation. If you're still 10, 20, or 30 years out, you can ride out the turbulence and maybe even benefit from it by buying during dips. What you don't want to do is make big moves based on short-term headlines. This is where having a written plan, or even a simple IPS, an investment policy statement, can keep you grounded. So, yes, you can make adjustments. Just make sure they're based on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your timeline, not on what the news cycle says.